The fuck up.
You fucking...
I've been here for years. There's never been a visitor's pad.
Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me?
Because you coming at me. Move. Now you can come on. Just let me go get my car.
What's good, y'all? I am back. You already know who this is. It's Quizzy with another one for y'all. And this is that you got my car towed prank. Well, y'all, I'm telling y'all, I've been waiting to do this for a minute. Ever since the first prank that I did a prank on her where I got married to my ex. Look, it all started a few months ago. Now, I got into it with the guy in the apartment complex. So what's going on is he was like, we're gonna tow your car if you don't have no place in your car. I'm like, bro, you just hating. You a hater. So look, this is what I'm gonna do today. So, Izzy, stop touching shit. All right, so look, this is what I'm gonna do today. So now I got it set up. I got my homeboy on the phone. I'm gonna show y'all that. Got my homeboy on the phone. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna come out here and act like that he's gonna tow my car. I'm gonna be like, babe, look, my car getting towed. Then I'm gonna blame her for it. So that's gonna be the prank. She gonna be pissed. She hate getting blamed for some shit that she didn't do, some shit that she ain't had nothing involved into. Like, she hate that. I know everybody pretty much hate that. And y'all notice that your boy getting some guns? Y'all notice that? Cause I've been working out, eating better. You should too. You're ugly. Hey, what's going on, bro? It's me, Quizzy. I went out to the car to talk to you on the phone. So look, this is the plan. When you come up, you'll see my car. I didn't park around any other car. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull up and then shoot me a text when you enter the apartment complex. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up my GoPro inside there so that way it can record her. All you gotta do is just pull up, just act like you gonna get ready to hook it up. You can just pull up by it, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a big deal about it. I'm gonna have a camera because I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'm recording you. Now I'm gonna make it up as I go, and then what I'm gonna do is when she comes outside, I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna get mad at her and be like, God damn, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is your fault, and then me and you are we'll end up just telling her it was a prank.
All right, sounds good.
Whenever you're ready, I'm ready.
I should be there by 35 minutes.
All right.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? All right, just shoot me a text.
All right, boy.
All right, thanks, man. Hey, be safe, bro.
I got you too, man.
All right, one. You see it? Don't tell me I love that in my damn car, too. You see it? Baby. Bro, they finna tow my fucking car, bro. Damn, bro, you.
Are you kidding me?
Bro, see, bro.
What time is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
Bro, man, this shit finna piss me 10-10. Finna show them this shit. See? Come on, baby. I can't show this.
Go ahead. Go up and stop.
You got the baby?
Yeah.
Shit, where the fuck is my socks, though? I'm not trying to get cold.
They right here.
Give them to me. Yeah, right. That's some fucking bullshit, bro. She gonna start crying.
She'll be okay.
Damn, bro. Bro. Hey, bro, this is my car. Huh?
They wanted it.
Nah, bro, nah, this, bro, nah,
Doing
bro.
my job, but
Who want the office up there?
yes, sir.
Bro, nah, I ain't letting you take my car,
You
bro.
want me to come and get it?
Look, we probably could talk about this. I can't let you take my car, bro.
Yeah,
Go
and
ahead,
I
talk
live
to
here.
them.
I pay the condo fee, so we can. Okay, you can't do that, sir.
Call
Right.
them and see what's going on.
Man, that shit
Oh,
wild.
you got a call, but you can't hook that car up. It's placed on the front and the back.
Exactly, like what she just said. So look, bro, they only did that shit because I didn't have my plates on it last
don't
time.
matter.
I got the plates. Baby,
month, so
I got
anybody who wanna
I
come
got
can
it.
come.
I got it. Look, what I'm trying to say is that it's plates on the front. They did it the last time because I ain't had plates on it.
I'm just getting orders.
All right.
I'm doing nothing else.
I tell you what, let me go make a
Go
call
ahead,
real
man.
quick before you do it, and then I'll be right back,
Do
okay?
your thing.
All right. Hey, baby.
I know. But I'm saying,
Like, I ain't gonna pay them for it. We don't have nothing to do.
yeah, but it's placed on the car.
We have a sticker. I mean, I could
He
probably,
doesn't live here.
I could probably tell you. That's probably why it's getting closed.
So you telling me if I have somebody come from out of town, they come in and have to stay in my house, that I need a visitor's pass for a condo fee that I pay every month?
Anybody's gonna start parking their car in here. You know what I mean? Like, we got no. There's no sticker and there's no business pass. We don't know that these businesses.
What difference does it make?
That makes sense. It does make sense.
Really, nigga?
Just let anybody park here.
What we gonna do is, because I got this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just move it and it'll be fine. I'm finna go talk to him right now.
I'm trying to go ahead. Go ahead.
Don't worry. I'm finna just move it. It's just fine. I appreciate that. Don't worry, it's a plan. It's a plan. My car. I'm not being told. I'm just fine. I'm finna get my, nah, don't worry about it. I'm finna get my shit and I'm finna go. I'm not coming over here no more.
You have mine. Gotta go with you.
I'm just gonna pull around and I'm just gonna move so that way. See, baby, but this is what I was telling you. Like,
Tell me what?
I'm telling you, like you knew that I was gonna get told here, and that's why I was trying to tell you, bro.
I knew you was gonna get told.
Yeah, you should have been talked to them,
I did talk to them.
baby. He would have told you about a visitor's pass.
She didn't tell me anything, and I didn't talk to him.
They would have been told you about a visitor's pass.
They didn't tell me anything about a visitor's pass, Quizzy. Why would I have you come over here if they told me about a visitor's pass? How you gonna take your frustrations out on me?
Because you not fucking listening, and that's
Not listening to what?
just move. Oh boy. Now I got I done got him on camera, but shit.
That don't make fucking sense. As many visitors as I have come here, that doesn't make sense, Quizzy. Don't just sit up and blame me for some shit that they done sat up and said or made the fuck up.
You fucking.
I've been here for years. There's never been a visitor's pass.
Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me?
Because you coming at me. Move. Now you can come on. Just let me go get my car.
So you mad at me?
Yeah, because you sitting up here pointing fingers. Like,
Because
you come over to get your front toe. Like, how the fuck do that make sense?
Because you supposed to been had a talk with them. It's your fucking fault that you
I
ain't had no
talked to
fucking
them
talk with
already.
them. And they would have been told you about the visitor's pass. Why the hell would he say something about it and then you wouldn't know about it?
Why you think?
That's not got nothing to do with race. It got something to do with
It
you
don't.
got. It
don't. After all the shit they done put me through, it don't.
It don't got nothing to do
As
with race.
many visitors I done had to come in this motherfucker, it don't.
It don't have nothing to do with race. It has something to do with you not being on your shit. You not being punctual.
Come on, we can get ready to go.
You not being fucking punctual. You not doing what you need to do.
Okay. Sure, you can take your stuff. Just come on.
I'm not finna go. I'm finna go down to the office. I'm finna just drive to the office. I didn't already talk to bro. I'm like, bro, just don't worry. I'm finna go to the office. This is about plates.
How you gonna go to the office without me?
Well, you can come with me, but I'm just gonna tell them that you're Adrian Lemons. You think they already know me down at the motherfucker
You think
office.
they gonna release any information?
What
For
information
some
they
shit
gonna
that they
release?
making up now. And I just talked to Kathy last week.
And what she say?
Nothing about none of this.
Baby, what he's saying makes sense. A lot of apartments do that. I had an apartment that did that.
Whose
That
side
made
you on?
sense. Right now I'm on their side.
Okay, we'll be on their side.
Cause you was on some dumb shit.
Come on.
You was on some fucking dumb shit. Damn, dumb ass shit. You was on some fucking dumb shit, and that's the whole reason why we in this predicament.
Right. Put the camera down. Cause this shit not even funny, dude.
You was on some dumb shit, bruh.
This shit not funny.
You was on some dumb shit. Nuh-uh. I just pranked the fuck out of you, baby.
How you prank? That's not a prank.
Bro, oh man, let her know it was a prank, man.
It's a prank.
It's a prank. I called him up here.
What the hell?
Damn. I got you again.
Really?
It's a prank. Oh man, he did great. He pulled the chain all the way up here. No, that was real.
You first off said you wasn't doing no more pranks.
I lied. Hey bro, I'll be right back. Look, baby. Let me show you this. All right, let me show you the newest addition to our team, baby. A GoPro. It was mine all along. Y'all, she's so fucking hurt, bro. Look, she was mad. Oh man.
That's not funny.
Damn, and look, it was recording. You see? I had to put tape on the back and tape on the front so you wouldn't see. Oh man. Y'all. I don't know what to tell you. All right, let me go give him his money. All right, y'all, I'm on my GoPro because my other camera battery overheated. Appreciate that, bro. There we go. Shout out to my dude. I appreciate him coming out. And we got our ass, didn't we? Yeah, hey, tell them thumbs up, like the video. Comment, like, comment, subscribe. Say Quizzytv.
Quizzytv, thumbs up.
Thanks, man. If I am the poison, then you gotta lose me to say you.